Good morning, children. Today in surface chemistry, we will see two types of adsorption are there when gases are adsorbed by solids. Okay? So, if accumulation of gas is on the surface of the solid and it occurs on account of weak van der Waals forces, यानी chemical reaction नहीं होता है, bonds बनते हैं but very weak van der Waals forces are there, then this type of adsorption is known as physisorption और फिजिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन. यू अंडरस्टूड. वीक van der Waals फोर्सेस से अगर गैस एक्यूमुलेट हो जाती है सरफेस पे, देन इट इज नोन एज फिजिजॉर्प्शन. बट व्हेन केमिकल रिएक्शंस होंगे तो ये बनेगा केमिजॉर्प्शन लाइक. बट व्हेन गैसेस और गैसियस एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स आर हेल्ड टू द सॉलिड सरफेस बाय केमिकल बॉन्ड्स, देन इट इज नोन एज केमिजॉर्प्शन. ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी मोर स्ट्रांग. The chemical bonds may be covalent or ionic in nature. They can be covalent or ionic in nature. In chemisorption, a high energy of activation is involved. Sometimes both the adsorption take place simultaneously, and it is very difficult to decide that which type of adsorption took place. Okay? Both physical and chemical adsorption can take place together, and so it is very easy to, and it is not easy to decide which type of adsorption take place. A physical adsorption at very low temperature, if at low temperature a physical adsorption is there, physical adsorption takes place, then by increasing the temperature, it can be changed into chemical adsorption या chemisorption. Understood? When there is low temperature, it is a physical adsorption, but when temperature is increased, then it may happen that it turns into chemisorption. Okay? So what are the characteristics of physisorption and chemisorption? So characteristic of physisorption is, first one is lack of specificity. It is not specific in nature. A given surface of adsorbent does not show preference for any particular gas, as the van der Waals forces are universal. What is the reason? Van der Waals force से अटैच होते हैं. Van der Waals forces are universal, so they are not specific for any type of gas. अंडरस्टूड. यानी कोई भी गैस किसी सरफेस पे एड्जॉर्ब हो सकती है फिजिकल एड्जॉर्प्शन में. व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ रोल ऑफ नेचर ऑफ एड्जॉर्बेट? द अमाउंट ऑफ गैस एड्जॉर्ब बाय ए सॉलिड डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द गैस. इन जनरल, इजीली लिक्विफाइबल गैसेस विच हैव हाई टीसी, व्हाट इज टीसी पता याद आया? क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर. दे आर रेडिली एब्जॉर्ब, वो जल्दी से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. एज वैन डर वाल्स फोर्सेज आर स्ट्रॉन्गर नियर द क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर, सो दे आर इजीली एब्जॉर्ब. वन एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन इन द बुक दैट 1 gram of activated charcoal easily absorbs मोर सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड SO2, जिसका कि TC कितना है? क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर इज 630 केल्विन. क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज 630 केल्विन. ओके. एंड मीथेन temperature is critical temperature यानी मीथेन कैन बी लिक्विफाइड एट 630 190 केल्विन. 630 सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड का एंड इसका 190 केल्विन. सो 1 gram of activated charcoal easily absorbs more SO2 than methane, which has low critical temperature. That's why it is written that if those who are having high TC are readily absorbed as van der Waals forces are stronger near the critical temperatures. Understood? Then comes the next point, that is characteristic of physical adsorption, reversible nature. This is reversible in nature. एक गैस एड्जॉर्ब हो गई और फिर बाद में उसको निकाल भी सकते हैं. When a gas is absorbed by a solid in a physical adsorption, the phenomenon is generally reversible. यानी solid plus gas is equal to gas solid plus heat. Heat is released. Okay, so that means the process is reversible in nature. That's why sign of reversibility is there. More of a gas is absorbed. When pressure is increased, the volume is decreased. Gas में क्या होगा? When pressure is increased, the volume is decreased, and so more gas is absorbed. Understood? Pressure increase होगा, volume decrease होगा, तो more gas will be absorbed. If the pressure is decreased, then volume will be increased, and then gas can be removed. Therefore, it is said that it is a reversible process. As the adsorption process is exothermic, it is released. The physical adsorption, in the physical adsorption, they are occur readily at low temperature. जिस चीज में भी हीट रिलीज होगा तो वो प्रोसेस ज्यादा कैसे अच्छा होगा? When it is at low temperature. If temperature is increased, the physical adsorption decreases. Okay, the rate of physical adsorption is decreased. Surface area of adsorbent. More the surface area, more will be the adsorption. समझ में आया? Therefore, the finely divided metals, तुमने देखा होगा कितनी जगह हम पढ़ते हैं finely divided metals. Metals, they are good adsorbent. Metals and porous substances. Porous substances are good adsorbents. Are good adsorbents as they have large surface area. That means जिसका surface area ज़्यादा होगा तो there will be good rate of adsorption. Then enthalpy of adsorption. Physical adsorption exothermic process है, but enthalpy of adsorption is quite low. It is 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this is because attraction between the gaseous molecules and solid surface is only due to weak van der Waals forces. So due to weak van der Waals forces. ठीक है. Then comes characteristic of chemisorption. They have high specificity. Chemisorption is highly specific and it will occur only if there is some possibility of chemical reaction. जहाँ केमिकल जरूरी नहीं है कि दो कंपाउंड में केमिकल, दो कंपाउंड में या दो मॉलिक्यूल में केमिकल रिएक्शन हो. सो इट इज ए हाईली स्पेसिफिक, लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन, बिकॉज ऑफ possibility of chemical reaction, this adsorption is highly specific. Okay, like if we talk about oxygen is adsorbed on metals. Metals absorb oxygen because of oxide formation, because of oxide formation, whereas hydrogen gas is adsorbed by transition metals. hydrogen is absorbed by transition metals because of हाइड्राइड फॉर्मेशन. ऑक्सीजन से ऑक्साइड बनेगा मेटल्स में, और ये ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन अब्जॉर्ब करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ हाइड्राइड फॉर्मेशन. सेकेंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है केमिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन का इरिवर्सिबिलिटी. बेटा आपको पता है एक बार जब कंपाउंड बन गए तो इरिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन होगा, तो वापस से वो नहीं ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं. सो एज केमिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन इन्वॉल्व्स कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन, it is usually irreversible in nature. It is also an exothermic process, but process is very slow at low temperature on account of high energy of activation, and because of the most chemical changes, adsorption often increases with the rise of temperature. So adsorption, यहाँ लिख देते हैं chemical adsorption is irreversible. प्रोसेस. ठीक है. एक्सोथर्मिक तो है, इट इज एक्सोथर्मिक. केमिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन इज ऑल्सो एक्सोथर्मिक, बट लाइक मोस्ट केमिकल चेंजेस एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज विद राइज इन टेम्परेचर. केमिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन rises with rise in temperature. ठीक है. Fiji adsorption of a gas adsorbed at low temperature may change into chemi adsorption at a high temperature. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि लो टेम्परेचर पे फिजी एब्जॉर्प्शन हो रहा हो, बट टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज किया तो केमिकल रिएक्शन हो गया एंड केमिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन या केमीजॉर्प्शन टेक प्लेस. सो हाई प्रेशर इज ऑल्सो प्रेफरेबल. हाई, ये सब की पॉइंट्स हैं. हाई प्रेशर इज ऑल्सो अ की पॉइंट फॉर केमीजॉर्प्शन टू टेक प्लेस. की फैक्टर बोलते हैं, की पॉइंट नहीं, की फैक्टर फॉर केमीजॉर्प्शन टू टेक प्लेस. करेक्ट. Next is surface area. The more the surface area, the more will be the adsorption. More the surface area, more will be the adsorption. Same Fiji adsorption की तरह. More will be the chemijorption. ठीक है. Then enthalpy of adsorption. Here also enthalpy of adsorption is there, but it is very high in comparison to physisorption because it involves the chemical bond formation. So temperature, enthalpy of formation of chemical bond is here 80 to 240 kilojoule per mole. ठीक है. And the table number 5.1 of our book involves difference between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption, that is physisorption and chemijorption, and 9 points are there. So at least 6 points you have to learn by heart because it could be asked in board. ठीक है. चलो, thank you.